So the question we're going to explore today is, I have family members working in the business. How does that work? It is a great question and one that we answer quite a lot here at RBA. So working with family members could be a blessing or sometimes not. Okay, well, let's assume it's a blessing, right? And you've grown your company together as a family, and it's great. Most of the owners that we talk to are family-run companies. They're great when you're operating a business, but when you're selling a business or when you're getting ready to prepare your business for sale to another owner who's outside of the family, it can really hurt your valuations. And let me tell you why. Most buyers, when they're coming in, are really nervous or apprehensive about confidentiality. So if you got a lot of family members working in the business, talk to them way before as you're prepping your business for sale, and ask them, are there intentions to stay in the business after the sale? Do they want to leave when you leave? Okay, so if they want to leave when you leave, you may want to replace some of those positions before you actually go to market. Okay, now if some of your family members want to stay post-closing, you have to get them to sign a non-compete and a non-solicitation. All right, or buyers will get really nervous and they will devalue your business. So that's the way you tackle the family members. You have conversations early in the game. So those that have other plans and want to move on to bigger things and better things, let's see them before we put the business on the market. The ones that are staying post-closing, you have to make sure we have a non-compete and a non-solicitation. That way it will address some of the biggest concerns a buyer would have regarding family members working in your business. You got a question? I'm always happy to hop on a call or go to my website, www.rbasells.com. Look forward to connecting.